Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your focus, supports Bluetooth pairing, and that your phone's Bluetooth is on. This matters because different sync versions behave differently. Once done, unlock the phone and grant permission to share contacts and media so calls and audio work smoothly. Turn the car to accessory or start the engine, then open the sync menu on the infotainment screen. Make the system discoverable by selecting Add Bluetooth Device or Phone, which puts both devices into pairing mode for the next step. Now pair the two devices by choosing your phone name on the sync display. You'll see a PIN appear on both the screen and your phone. Confirm the PIN matches, and then accept the pairing prompt on the phone. This establishes the secure link. After pairing, enable phone audio and contacts or messages if prompted so voice calls and caller ID work. Make your phone the primary device in sync settings if you want automatic reconnects, and select Bluetooth as the audio source when playing music. Finish by testing a call and playing music to confirm both microphone and audio output are working. Adjust volume on both devices and the car. If the connection fails or audio is missing, make sure Bluetooth visibility is enabled, then remove the forward entry from your phone's paired devices and clear old phones from sync before repairing. If problems persist, restart both phone and car, check for phone OS or sync firmware updates, and only perform a sync master reset as a last resort to avoid losing settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.